In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a design available offline in Canva. This is really useful if you know you'll be working somewhere with a weak or unstable internet connection, or if you just want the peace of mind of having your design ready to access without relying on Wi-Fi or data. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Canva and go to the home page. This is the main dashboard you see when you first log in. From here, you can access all your recent projects, templates, and saved designs. If you're not already on the home screen, you can usually get there by clicking the home button or icon at the top of the interface. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to locate the design you want to make available offline. You might see it under Recent Designs or in a specific folder if you've organized your projects. If you have many designs, you can also use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the project and find it more quickly. When you've found the design you want, click on it to select it. Now that your design is selected, look for the three dots icon associated with that design. This icon is often called the More Options menu. Depending on your device, it may appear on the thumbnail of the design or near the design title. Click on the three dots to open a small menu with additional actions you can take on that particular project. In this menu, you'll see several options such as moving the design, renaming it, or sharing it. Among these, look for the option that says Make Available Offline. Go ahead and click on Make Available Offline. When you do this, Canva will begin storing the necessary data for that design on your device so that you can open and work on it even when you're not connected to the internet. Give it a moment to process, especially if the design is large or contains many images and elements. Once it's done, that design will be ready for offline use. It's a good idea to repeat this process for any other designs you know you'll need access to while you're offline, and that's all there is to it. By going to the home page, selecting your design, clicking on the three dots, and choosing Make Available Offline, you ensure